Your goal is to make over $10,000 per month passively. Then you want to get started with YouTube automation. I'm going to reveal 5 channels that you can start modeling today to make this type of income. Hey, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to get started with YouTube automation. I'm also going to reveal the most profitable niches that you could get started with today. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share this video, and turn on the notification bell for almost new update. The very first niche is artificial intelligence. Now, this is a niche that's extremely new, extremely undersaturated, and has some of the highest CPMs. Some of our AI channels are hitting $25 to $30 per thousand views. This channel right here is completely faceless, automated, and generates passive income every single month. You can get started with a channel like this today. They're just talking about different topics related to AI, like the top 10 jobs AI can't replace, the 5 types of AI, the 6 stages of AI. They're informing people about artificial intelligence because a lot of people are searching about it. Now if we go over to Social Blade, it's estimating that they're making about $6.2 thousand per month or $74,000 per year. We know this is completely wrong. You might be thinking this is way too much, but this is actually way too little because if we hover over the little question mark, it says the default estimated CPM range for Social Blade is 25 cents to $4 per thousand views. We know this channel is making upwards of $25 per thousand views. So I can say multiply this number by 6, and that's closer to what they're earning. So they're earning over $30,000 per month or over $300K per year from this faceless, automated channel. And as you can see, this channel was literally created just a few months ago. So you can literally start a channel like this and get profitable within a few months. And it doesn't matter which country you're in. As you can see, they are in a different country as well. They're in Sweden. They're not even in the US, so this can be started from anywhere in the world. Now the second channel and niche, this one is called Tesla Car World. This channel is in the electric vehicles niche. Now, this is a very popular niche because lots of people are switching over to electric vehicles. They want to get updated on the latest and greatest cars to purchase. And this one specifically sub-niches into Tesla because Tesla is obviously one of the most searched companies in the world, one of the most searched CEOs and founders in the world. And this channel right here is doing very, very well. As you can see, they're getting 23,000 to 47,000 views, upwards of some of their most popular videos. They're getting 1 million views, so this channel is in a great high CPM niche, earning about $15 per thousand views. If we go over to Social Blade, it says they're making about $3,800 per month, but that's based on a $4 per thousand view calculation. So we could safely multiply this by 3, and that's going to give us a closer estimate of what they're making. So they're making over $10,000 per month or $120K per year, which is 6 figures generated in passive income from a faceless YouTube automation channel. This channel was created in 2020, so only a few years ago, and they've been cranking out videos and generating passive income every single month since then. Okay, now let's go ahead and go to the third niche. Now, this niche is make money online, similar to the kind of content that I make. But this is a faceless channel generated mostly from AI. You can see that they have an AI voice. If you check it out, some of the content is AI. Maybe even the script was generated with AI. But this is a make money online channel. They are doing pretty well here. They started not too long ago, just 10 videos. And if you go over to Social Blade, it says they're making about $1,800 per month. We know this niche is making anywhere from $20 to $30 CPMs in a wider range, but we can safely estimate that they're making 5 times this amount. So they're making around $5,000 to $6,000 per month, which is pretty great considering they only started this channel about 2 months ago. So you can see the opportunity here if you get started with YouTube automation. This is the third niche. Let's go ahead and go into the fourth niche, one of my favorites. This channel right here is called King Luxury. This is one of the top luxury faceless YouTube automation channels in the luxury niche. This niche is getting CPMs anywhere from $12 upwards of $20 depending on how viral your videos go and what types of luxury topics you do. Okay, now this channel, if we go over to Social Blade, is earning upwards of $19,000 per month or $300,000 per year. But if we calculate based on a $12 CPM, like the low end, then this channel is making about 3 times more than this. So about $75K per month. I know it sounds crazy, over $500,000 per year. But again, this is a big channel, 421,000 subscribers. And they created this channel in 2020. So this channel has only been around 3 years, and they're generating over $500,000 consistently every single year. Now let's go ahead and go to the last niche. Now, this one is one of my favorites because of the bull market that's about to start. But this one's called Altcoin Daily. I know in some of the videos they show their face, but most of them, they don't show their face and can be completely automated. The script can be generated via a virtual assistant, a scriptwriter. Voiceover can be done using AI or offshore contractors. So this is a faceless crypto channel. The CPMs are kind of low right now. I would say they're probably in the $7 to $8 range. But once the bull market starts, more crypto companies start advertising. We can see upwards of $20 CPMS in this niche. Now if we go to Social Blade, it says they're making about $18,000 a month. This is probably more correct as of right now because the CPMS are so low. They may be making double this based off of an $8 CPM. So we could say they're making anywhere from $18,000 to $30,000 a month, and that's minus sponsorships. That's just Google YouTube ad revenue alone. That's $222,000 per year. Okay, so that's it guys. Make sure to join my Telegram channel so that you won't miss any new update. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share the video, and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I publish a new interesting video like this, you'll be notified as fast as possible. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.